As you guys can see here at Chris Warren's Pro Shops, they're ready for them. There's just zero mercies everywhere. So that's what we're gonna review today in League. It's me and Boog doing the review. And Boog, I'm challenging you to the higher set wins dinner from the lower set. And honestly, you have the advantage because I can't shoot more than 704 here. I'm shooting 726 and I'd be happy with that, okay? I don't strike a lot in this building, but it's time to change that. Let's go.
League night against the boy, Keven Williams. We're throwing the brand new Zero Mercy Krol. Guys, I bowl a second shift league. Probably not the best time to throw these, but you know, we're gonna try our best.
Oh my God. Something about filming these league reviews where I just like forget how to bowl early on. We'll figure it out. Lucky. That's 3 in a row. Notoriously, I don't strike game 1 or 2 or 3 here. We have a 3-bagger early on. So it's time. It's time to pop off a big set the weird way.
I have that much room. That is actually frustrating to lose a team point to that shot. Of course, that one strikes.
Have I missed on camera? Or have I struck every time on camera? I don't know what else to do, guys. This is what every night of League looks like. This ball roll is amazing, but I just bowled 219, not missing the hole, and I left everything you can leave in a game of 219. I think this ball, I'm throwing the Pearl, I think it's just a little too clean for game 1, but it's close. Like, I mean, I didn't miss the hole. I just got a couple taps at the wrong time, and they weren't like telling taps. It's not like I'm just 7-pinning every single shot, so I know the ball's too clean. Like, I think it's a little too responsive as the lanes carry down a little bit because there's so much oil in the middle part of the lane here. As they carry down, I think that'll tame out my ball motion a little bit, allow me to kind of throw it in the tube a little more. 2 big games coming up though. It's coming.
Head over to our website, The House Bowling, right now. We have t-shirts on sale during Black Friday. 25% off using code Friday off t-shirts like this one and all the other ones on the website, as well as all of our merch. 25% off using code Friday.
You know, just gotta tug that pinky, you know? All right, we're gonna film every shot from now on if I have a string going, because I will shoot 300. I'm calling it now 2 frames in. Check film, he fouled. Oh. Here we go. All right. Where's he at? That's what I get. That's what I get. All right, big 10 frame here, 266 left. I love that I told the camera that I was going to shoot 300 and I just 710. Rats. 248, 255. Not too shabby.
That's 2 in a row to start the game. Come on now. I deserve that one. I deserve that one, guys. I deserve that one. I suck, man. I suck. I almost bowled an honor score. It's been a while, and by a while, it's never happened in this center. But 279 is a good score. Great score. All right, through 2 games, we had 219, and then we improved dramatically with the old 279 out of the front 9. I threw it really bad in the 10th. Super around it, just the wrong miss, nice 6-pin, but we're turning with 500 essentially. But this ball, like I said after game 1, as they carry down a little bit and they kind of get that tube where you get like that cliff a little bit on the house shot, this ball definitely is doing the right thing now. It just was hooking a little too quick off this spot. I finally moved in enough to where it was a little more tame. I kind of missed up the lane a little more instead of so steep to the left. And now it's going to the pin straight. So I fully expect to bowl another big game, game 3, because that's exactly where this ball should fit into, where it's the transition game into game 3.
Heyo. Fun fact, I do know what Keven shot. I need all the points. What you know about the loft and pinky tuck and everything? Yay. Dude, I should have backed off because I just like was thinking about you just saying, all right. Dude, I need you to miss here. I need a chance. Dude, I've lost to 2 dumb shots. We lost our team point because some lefty can throw it everywhere.
I have that much room.
Dude, you are diabolical. Jeez. I went 248, 255, 259 for 762. I just kept moving left, tucked the pinky, and just kept moving left, chasing it, got over the gutter cap a few times, and the ball looked really good. Very surprised, and it kept making the continuous motion, and I didn't really have to get out of it. So we're about 9 games easy into this, and the ball just never quit. I could gear down, get around it more, and it still made the shape down the lane. It's going to be a good ball for league, for tournaments. This is going to be in my bag for tournament play, league play, even second shift league. It's going to be in my bag. Head to thehousebowling.com. Pick yourself up a Zero Mercy Krol. We'll see what Keven shoots. I know what he shot. He bowled well.
And the lock back in here. Make a good shot like a pro bowler. It's pretty good. Sometimes you just gotta lock yourself back in, boys and girls. Oh my God, give me that ref and one for real. The curse is over. Someone give me that honor score thing. Get out of here. It was bound to happen eventually. 798, tough way to not get to 800, but I had 23 of the last 24 with 79, 300. What more can you say? Like, you guys want the big numbers? I just shot some big numbers. So, Zero Mercy, I threw the Pearl. I didn't throw the stronger one because there's no chance that I could, just because they hook so much here for me. Boog, best of luck, bud. I got you.